Imagine a courtroom where lawyers present their cases, not to a human judge, but to a sophisticated artificial intelligence. This might sound like science fiction, but the reality is that artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the legal landscape as we know it. AI is already being used in courtrooms around the world, albeit in its early stages. For instance, AI-powered transcription services are becoming increasingly common, providing accurate and efficient records of court proceedings. Furthermore, AI-powered legal research tools are helping lawyers sift through mountains of case law to find relevant precedents quickly and accurately. These tools can save lawyers countless hours of research time, making them more efficient and cost-effective. The integration of AI into the courtroom is still in its infancy, but it's clear that this technology has the potential to revolutionize the way justice is administered. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI in the legal field. The legal profession, once considered immune to the rise of automation, is now facing a wave of AI-powered tools that are transforming the way legal work is done. These advancements are not just incremental, they are fundamentally reshaping the landscape of legal practice. From contract review to legal research, AI is streamlining processes, reducing costs, and even predicting legal outcomes. This technology is enabling law firms to handle larger volumes of work with greater efficiency and accuracy. One of the most significant impacts of AI in law is the automation of routine tasks. These tasks, which once consumed a significant amount of time, can now be completed in a fraction of the time. AI-powered legal bots can now draft simple contracts, review documents for specific clauses, and even conduct basic legal research. This level of automation is unprecedented in the legal field. This frees up lawyers to focus on more complex and strategic work, such as client interaction, negotiation, and courtroom litigation. By offloading routine tasks, lawyers can dedicate more time to developing innovative legal strategies. Moreover, AI is also being used to improve the accuracy and efficiency of legal research. Advanced algorithms can sift through vast amounts of data to find the most relevant information. Traditional legal research methods can be time-consuming and prone to human error. Lawyers often spend hours, if not days, searching for precedents and relevant case law. AI-powered research tools, on the other hand, can analyze vast databases of legal information in seconds, identifying relevant case law and providing lawyers with the information they need to build strong cases. This not only saves time, but also enhances the quality of legal arguments. The rise of legal bots is not about replacing lawyers, but rather augmenting their capabilities. By leveraging AI, lawyers can enhance their practice and offer better services to their clients. By automating tedious tasks and providing lawyers with powerful tools, AI is helping to create a more efficient and accessible legal system for everyone. This technological evolution promises to make legal services more affordable and available to a broader audience. While AI offers numerous benefits to the legal profession, its use also raises important ethical and practical considerations. These considerations are not just theoretical, but have real-world implications that can affect the lives of many. One of the primary concerns is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. This bias can manifest in various ways, often subtly influencing outcomes in ways that may not be immediately obvious. AI systems are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets reflect existing societal biases, the AI system itself can perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This can lead to unfair treatment of individuals based on race, gender, or other characteristics. For instance, an AI system trained on a dataset of criminal sentencing decisions that contains racial bias could potentially recommend harsher sentences for individuals of certain races, even if all other factors are equal. This could have serious consequences for the fairness of the legal system. This highlights the importance of ensuring that AI systems used in the legal system are fair, unbiased, and do not perpetuate existing inequalities. Rigorous testing and validation are essential to achieve this goal. Another concern is the lack of transparency in some AI systems. Without transparency, it becomes challenging to trust the decisions made by these systems. Many AI algorithms operate as black boxes, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions. This opacity can be a significant barrier to their adoption in sensitive areas like law. This lack of transparency can be problematic in legal contexts where explainability and accountability are paramount. Legal professionals need to be able to justify the decisions made by AI systems. If an AI system recommends a particular legal strategy or predicts the outcome of a case, it's crucial to understand the reasoning behind these recommendations. This understanding is vital for maintaining trust in the legal process. This need for transparency is driving the development of explainable AI, or XAI, which aims to make AI decision-making processes more understandable to humans. By making these processes clearer, XAI can help ensure that AI systems are used responsibly and ethically in the legal field. The algorithm and the gavel. Navigating the risks of AI in law. As AI becomes more integrated into the legal system, it's crucial to establish clear guidelines and regulations to mitigate potential risks. This integration promises efficiency, but also brings forth challenges that need to be addressed proactively. One of the key challenges is ensuring that the use of AI in legal proceedings aligns with fundamental legal principles, such as due process, fairness, and the right to a fair trial. These principles are the bedrock of our legal system and must not be compromised. For example, if an AI system is used to assess the risk of recidivism in a parole hearing, it's essential to ensure that the system's recommendations do not unfairly disadvantage certain individuals or groups. Bias in AI algorithms can lead to significant injustices. Transparency and accountability are also crucial. Without these, the trust in AI systems can erode, leading to resistance and skepticism. When AI is used in legal decision-making, it's important to have mechanisms in place to understand how the AI system arrived at its conclusions and to hold the appropriate parties accountable for any errors or biases. This ensures that justice is not only done, but seen to be done. The legal profession must also grapple with the issue of data privacy and security. Protecting sensitive information is a non-negotiable aspect of legal practice. AI systems in law often handle sensitive personal information, such as financial records, medical histories, and criminal backgrounds. The mishandling of this data can have severe consequences. Ensuring that this data is collected, stored, and used responsibly and ethically is paramount. The future of AI in law depends on our ability to navigate these risks effectively. AI and you. How artificial intelligence impacts your legal rights. The increasing use of AI in the legal system has significant implications for individuals and their legal rights. On the one hand, AI has the potential to make legal services more accessible and affordable. For example, AI-powered chatbots can provide basic legal guidance and answer common legal questions, making it easier for people to understand their rights and options. AI can also level the playing field in legal disputes by providing individuals with access to sophisticated legal tools and resources that were previously only available to large law firms. However, the use of AI in law also raises concerns about potential bias, discrimination, and the erosion of privacy. It's crucial for individuals to be aware of how AI is being used in legal proceedings that affect them and to advocate for their rights. If you believe that an AI system has been used unfairly, or that your rights have been violated, it's essential to seek legal counsel and explore available avenues for redress. The future of law AI in the dock. The rapid evolution of AI is poised to transform the legal profession in unprecedented ways. Law schools are incorporating AI into their curricula, recognizing the need to equip future lawyers with the knowledge and skills to navigate this evolving landscape. Legal tech startups are developing innovative AI-powered tools and services, driving competition and innovation in the industry. Research institutions are exploring the ethical and societal implications of AI in law, contributing to the development of responsible AI guidelines and best practices. The future of law is inextricably intertwined with the development and deployment of AI. As AI technology continues to advance, the legal profession must adapt, innovate, and embrace the opportunities and challenges that AI presents. AI and the law. A partnership for justice. AI is not a replacement for human lawyers, but rather a powerful tool that can augment their capabilities and improve the administration of justice. By automating routine tasks, providing access to vast stores of legal knowledge, and assisting with complex legal analysis, AI can free up lawyers to focus on higher-level tasks that require human judgment, empathy, and creativity. The key to harnessing the power of AI in law lies in striking the right balance between technological innovation and human oversight. By embracing AI as a valuable tool while upholding ethical principles and ensuring human accountability, we can create a legal system that is more efficient, accessible, and just for all.